Hey guys, welcome back to another smoking video. Today I'm coming back at you with another Carx video. Today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks to the new Carx method since the new update. Now on this new update we are going to be using a new vehicle. It is called the Lumberjack. Sorry, correction, this is a Lumberjack. But after you get your Lumberjack, you're going to go ahead and you're going to want to do the racing mods. Once you activate your racing mods, you want to go into tuning and do at least 120 wheel adhesion, and you can go ahead tune it as much as you want to do whatever. I like a little bit of stiffer suspension, but that doesn't really matter. So now once you get your Lumberjack, you're going to want to go ahead and go to West Coast Arena. Alright, now that we're here, we're just going to run the fastest and best line we possibly can by hugging the corners and just relatively being nice on our speed and momentum. What I prefer you guys doing is going at a pace that is nice to you guys to where you can understand the track and the speed and limitations you have to do to be able to get that full 800 grand you get from the time limit. And guys, remember, you're not going to get it every single time. Like as you see in this run, I get about 600 grand. I averagely get like 700, something like that. So just keep going, just keep resetting, and then doing the best lines you possibly can. And like I said, guys, you're not going to get that 800 grand every single run. I get it averagely about, once every 5 runs, but I'm still grateful to be able to get that 700 grand. I do my runs to the best of my abilities as fast as I can, and I averagely, like I said, get 700 grand. For those 3 runs I get for per minute, that's about 1.5 to 2.2 million for every minute, and I'm, like I said, grateful for that. So just keep going in, get your time, get your money, and just enjoy the game. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. And if you guys are interested in the content I am making, anything car related, FR Legends, Forza, Carx, Wilson, that's the type of content I make. This whole YouTube channel is following me into my FD Formula Drift career. So if you guys are into that stuff, please subscribe. Please stay and watch my journey. I would enjoy it, I would love it, appreciate it. But with that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you made it this far, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Have a good one.